Just want to show you what I added into my input chooser app. First of all, you notice the UI has been updated a little bit. There's now color coding on the different inputs here, so it's easy to identify ones that aren't being used. The interface also does fit on an iPad aspect ratio better, and also handles window resizing better than it did before. There are also a couple bug fixes, but the important new feature that's been added is the ability to select multiple sources and apply them all in one pass. So to do this, you start by selecting where you want to start applying sources at. So for example, if all I wanted to do was replace the last four sources on my TriCaster 8000 here, I could select number 9, and then I could select up to 4 sources over here, and those would replace in order these 4. But let's say I want to do all of them. So we're going to select source 1, or input 1 on my TriCaster 8000, and then over here we're going to start selecting all the sources we want. So I'm going to select my first 4 sources for my TriCaster Mini SDI. I'm going to select 4 Toxo channels here, and then my test pattern generator and 3 outputs from Connect Pro. And you'll notice that as I select them, they are all numbered and showing me in the order in which they'll go. You can also click on these and change them around a little bit. So let's say test pattern, I don't want to be in input 9. I can click it off. It now reorders everything else after it. If I click it again, it now becomes input 12. And so if we are ready to apply these, we'll go to a little side-by-side view here. I'll hit connect. You'll see all these sources come online in my system here, just so you can see a little closer. The last thing I just want to point out is that if any one source over here is selected, this list becomes locked until it is cleared again. So for example, I'll just select something in the list and close and just scroll down here so you can see it. There's my test pattern generator app. I'll close test pattern generator. Now, normally this would turn red right away, but because the list is locked, to prevent new sources coming online and reorganizing the list while you're still trying to select things in it, which can be problematic, it will not update until this list is cleared. So you can hit clear. I could just click this off, and you'll see that as soon as I click it off, it refreshes again, and it now notices that that application is not running. And as long as nothing is selected, it will update right away. So it's just when something is selected on this list that you don't get that automatic updating, but that is by design. Clearing will also make it update the list, or as soon as you connect, the list gets updated as well. So just don't leave things selected for no reason over here, and then it will always be a live list as you're working. So I hope you find these enhancements useful, and let me know how the app works out for you.